Now, if you've posted videos to social media before, you'll know that it takes time to do. And if you're doing this 3 times a week, maybe more, that's a lot of videos you've got to make and put out every single month. So how do you do that without running out of ideas, running out of time, or just generally going insane? Got a few ideas. Now, if you're one of these people who does social media on the fly, by that I mean posting a video that you've just made, that's going to trip you up eventually, because you're going to have those days where you're really busy or you don't have any ideas. You end up posting something out that's maybe of substandard quality, you're not happy with it, just to get something out there, or you don't bother posting at all and your social media strategy starts to become inconsistent, and none of those things are good. Well, there's one thing you can do which solves all those problems at once, and that's batch filming. And I can't tell you how great this strategy is. I'm doing it right now. I've set aside a day, I've set everything up in my studio, and I'm doing all my filming at once in one day. And I don't have to think about what videos I need to post for a whole month. And I can't tell you how beautiful that feels. So I'll tell you how I do that in a second. But one of the questions I get asked a lot when I'm helping people and coaching people how to make videos for social media is, how do I come up with so many ideas? And I've done a separate blog and a separate video about this because it's too big a topic to handle here. But there are so many great ways you can come up with a ton of great ideas. In fact, if you start employing a few of these little strategies, you'll have more ideas than you've got stuff to make videos for. You'll never be short of ideas, basically. But the link's coming up at the end, and you'll find it around me somewhere here, so you can go and check that blog out for yourself. Right, back to the whole batch filming thing. How does that work? So you've got your plan in place, you know what videos you need to make, and you know what they're going to look like. It always helps to set up your background and your set, if you like, exactly the same for every single video. And the reason why that's so good, and again, I've done another video about backgrounds and setting up backgrounds and stuff and lighting, so there's a link coming up for that. But one of the reasons why that's really good is it's all about branding. So your branding is your colors, your logo, your typeface, everything that tells your audience about you and is consistent about you. So then when people see your videos pop up on their timeline, they pretty much know it's you because it's all very familiar. So all my videos are done here in this space. And by filming them all at once in one day in exactly the same setting, there's a really great fringe benefit. And that is, you can start recycling content. This is the really cool bit, right? So you don't have to make all your videos for 1 month in a day. Once you've been doing this for a few months, you're going to have a library of videos which all look pretty much the same. And if your content is timeless, by that I mean you're not talking about the weather, you're not talking about things that are going on right now, you can use this video again in 3-4 months' time. Because by then, you're going to have a whole bunch of new followers, and a lot of the followers who followed you when you posted it first time round, they probably didn't get to see it anyway because that's the way the algorithm works, or they might have skimmed over it, maybe saw the first 3 seconds and didn't see the rest. But there are plenty of people who haven't seen that video before, so don't be afraid and think, oh, I can't post that again because I've already posted it. Of course you can, do it! And it's not going to look out of place because all your videos look fairly similar. They've all got a very similar feel. So that's one thing you can do. This is really, really cool and will save you a lot of time down the line if you're batch filming. And the second thing is have a change of wardrobe, because then it just makes it look a little bit like you've been filming this stuff on separate days. So I have 2 or 3. I normally wear a t-shirt or something like this when I'm doing my videos. So I'll shoot a couple right now, then I'll go downstairs, change the top, do a few more, and so on. So then when they all post out, it looks like they've all been filmed on separate days. So batch filming, that's the way forward. Go do it. You won't look back. And if you want any more tips like this, certainly on how to come up with great content, how to set up your background and set your scene and all those kind of things, then links coming up in a second, or come and find our website. You'll find it all there. Have a great day. Bye.